Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new Suzuki Ertiga Premiere 2025. This upgraded version of the popular MPV brings a more premium feel, some fresh design updates, and a handful of new features. If you're looking for a stylish yet practical 7-seater, this might just be the one to consider. Let's explore everything it offers. The Ertiga has been a reliable choice for Indian families for years. It's known for its spacious cabin, good mileage, and easy maintenance. With the Premiere Edition, Suzuki is stepping things up a notch by adding a touch of sophistication to an already successful formula. From the outside, the Ertiga Premiere looks a bit more refined. There's a new chrome front grille that gives it a bold appearance, and the LED projector headlamps look sleek and modern. Daytime running lights are integrated smoothly into the design. Along the sides, you'll notice fresh dual-tone alloy wheels that add a sporty edge. At the back, the tail lamps have a more premium LED treatment, and the redesigned bumper enhances the MPV's overall presence. The ground clearance is practical and suitable for all kinds of Indian roads. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the upgraded cabin. Suzuki has gone for a dual-tone interior theme with wooden finish accents that give the dashboard a more upscale look. The steering wheel is now leather-wrapped and feels nice in the hands. The seats come with new textured upholstery that looks and feels more premium than before. At the center, you'll find a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is responsive and easy to use, and sound quality from the speakers is quite decent for the segment. Other comfort features include automatic climate control, second-row AC vents, a push-button start system, and a height-adjustable driver's seat. All of these add up to a more comfortable and convenient driving experience. One of the Ertiga's biggest strengths has always been its space and practicality. The second-row seats are adjustable, they slide and recline to create more room or comfort depending on your need. The third row is usable for shorter trips or for kids and smaller adults, and it folds down if you need extra luggage space. With all rows up, boot space is limited, but folding down the third row opens up ample room for travel bags or shopping. The car also offers good cabin storage options like bottle holders, seatback pockets, and charging ports in both rows. Now coming to performance. The Ertiga Premiere continues with Suzuki's 1.5 LK15C petrol engine that features smart hybrid technology. It produces about 103 bhp and 137 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The automatic variant also comes with paddle shifters for a more engaging drive. On city roads, the engine feels smooth and refined, and on highways, it holds its pace comfortably. The suspension is tuned for comfort, so potholes and speed breakers are handled quite well. As for mileage, Suzuki claims up to 20 km per liter, but in real-world usage, you can expect around 15 to 17 km per liter depending on traffic and driving style. In terms of features, Suzuki has added just enough to give the Premiere variant a premium edge. You get cruise control for relaxed highway driving, auto headlamps that adjust to lighting conditions, electrically foldable ORVMs, and a rear parking camera with sensors to make reversing easy. Higher trims may also offer connected car tech, though this may vary depending on the region. Safety has also been improved in this version. The Ertiga Premiere includes dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, and rear parking sensors as standard. The automatic version also comes with Hill Hold Assist and electronic stability program, which are essential for driving confidence, especially on slopes and slippery roads. ISOFIX child seat mounts are also included for added safety if you have little ones in the family. Let's talk about pricing. The Suzuki Ertiga Premiere 2025 is expected to be priced between 11 rupees to 13 lakh rupees ex-showroom, depending on the variant and features. This puts it in competition with models like the Kia Carens, the Renault Triber, and even Maruti's own XL6. While some rivals may offer more flashy features, the Ertiga Premiere strikes a great balance between space, comfort, mileage, and trusted brand value. So, should you buy the Suzuki Ertiga Premiere 2025? If you want a family car that offers great practicality, reliable performance, low running costs, and now, a little more premium feel, then yes, it's definitely worth considering. It may not be the flashiest MPV on the market, but it's dependable and delivers on the things that matter most. What do you think of the new Ertiga Premiere? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next one. Until then, take care and drive safe.